If you're looking to learn how to use Descript for conference call recordings, this quick guide will show you everything you need to know. Descript is a powerful tool that makes recording, editing, and transcribing your conference calls super easy. And today, I'll walk you through the steps to get started. Stick around because I'll also share an exclusive deal that gives you extended access to Descript for free at the end. First, let's start with getting Descript set up for conference call recordings. If you don't have it yet, you can start using it for free right now by clicking the first link in the description. Once you're set up, launch Descript and create a new project. The interface is simple and user-friendly, and you'll quickly get the hang of it. Now, for the recording itself, Descript integrates seamlessly with your microphone, so you can record your conference call directly within the app. All you have to do is hit the record button, and Descript will automatically capture everything: voices, audio quality, and even noise reduction for cleaner sound. It's the perfect tool for ensuring every detail from your call is captured accurately. Once you've finished recording, Descript will transcribe the entire conversation into text automatically. The transcription is fast and highly accurate, even picking up on technical terms or various accents, which makes it ideal for any conference call, whether it's for work, interviews, or group discussions. Editing your recording is just as easy. Descript's standout feature is that you can edit your audio just like you would a text document. That means you can delete or rearrange segments of your call by simply deleting or moving text in the transcript. This makes trimming down lengthy calls or removing unnecessary chatter a breeze. Descript also offers powerful features like adding captions to your recordings, which is great if you plan on sharing clips from your conference calls. You can also use the screen recording feature if you need to capture visual content during the call, making it an all-in-one tool for both audio and video conference calls. Another cool feature is the ability to add overdubs to your recording. If there's a mistake or you need to clarify something, you can simply type out what you want to say, and Descript will generate the voiceover in your voice, perfectly synced to the original recording. Before wrapping up, don't forget Descript's collaboration options. You can invite team members to your project and have them leave comments or edit the transcription directly. This makes it easy for teams to work together on post-call tasks, whether it's reviewing, summarizing, or sharing important points. To make this even better, you can use Descript completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Click the link below to access this deal. Plus, if you stick with Descript, you'll find it's a real time saver for conference calls, helping you focus on what matters most: your content. Remember, this guide was just a quick intro to using Descript for conference call recordings. If you're new to Descript, start experimenting with these features today and see how it can help you manage your conference calls more efficiently. Don't forget to check the link below to unlock an extended free trial of Descript and start recording smarter today.